Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In 1982, the first permanent artificial heart was transplanted into a 61-year-old patient named Barney Clark by surgeons at the University of Utah. Dr. Willem Kolff, who was mentioned earlier, led the team that worked on this artificial heart.
Take our lead.
Artificial hearts in context. Removing a person's heart is one of the most dramatic surgical procedures one can imagine, says Dr. Jarvik, who began developing a tiny ventricular assist device, the Jarvik 2000, in 1988. It is no surprise that more public attention is given to replacing a heart than to assisting one.
Make your mark, take our lead.
December 2, 1982. 30 years ago on December 2, 1982, in the darkest hours of the morning, cardiothoracic surgeon William DeVries, 1500th, carefully removed the ravaged heart of Dr. Barney Clark, a heart that tore like tissue paper due to years of treatment with steroids, and replaced it with the world's first permanent artificial heart. 2 December 2012.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.